Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Lone Oak, where we are working on bunker number 3, and today was sheetrock day. So they put their sheetrock after the framing and sealed in our vapor barrier on the wall. You can see it from up here, so let's go downstairs and see what it really looks like. You can see our bomb blast doors here. You see our decontamination chamber room, and you see our second set of blast doors. And the sheetrock is closed in our basement. The electrical wires ran yesterday, so we can actually see what they look going to look like now that everything's been cut and spaced through. Our escape hatch. And this is bathroom. And this is the primary bedroom. And our closet. You can see here, light is coming through because that's where we're going to put in air apparatus. And so that's going to have to be sealed after it's in, but it provides a little light. Just enough for us to see what the room looks like. And another closet. And you can see our floor port down at the bottom. We washed out the walls really good last night. That's where we washed it, directly into our drain port. You see the floors are dry. When you have floor drains, it's better than just a general sump. A general sump is in one location, which is over here. But if you are far in the back side of the house or over one of the far corners and there's an issue that hasn't been addressed, you can pull out that port and wash all the water out of it. All right, so now we see it, let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.